Welcome to everyone, dear friends. We want the last bit of the chapter of carboxylic acid, the named reaction, and very important for your NCERT and competitive examination is Hell-Ballard-Jhalnowski reaction. A common difference in NCERT, they ask the question: explain HVZ reaction. It means what means HVZ is the formation of alpha halogenated carboxylic acid. They ask the question like this also: how to form alpha halogenated carboxylic acid from carboxylic acid, or either explain HVZ reaction. It's a very simple, friends. When a carboxylic acid, this is RCH2 COH, when functional group is attached, this carbon is called alpha carbon. Yes, this is carboxylic acid having alpha carbon, and it undergoes halogenation. It undergoes halogenation in presence of a red phosphorus. So keep in your mind. When carboxylic acid is undergoes halogenation in presence of red phosphorus, the halogen is undergoes homolysis, and it undergoes homolysis. One of the halogen is attacking to the alpha carbon. That alpha carbon containing hydrogen is attached to another halogen atom. It becomes halogenated acid, is HX. And now it is a formation of the compound is RCH. This is your X COOH. As functional group, this is alpha. Name of this compound is alpha halogenated carboxylic acid. This is very simple. What is HVZ reaction? When carboxylic acid undergoes halogenation in presence of red phosphorus to form alpha halogenated carboxylic acids are known as HVZ reaction. Yes, as an example we have to consider is CH3CH2COH, a 3 carbon propionic acid. When propionic acid is undergoes iodination in presence of red phosphorus, and I is undergoes homolysis, and H is combined. This H is combined here, this I attacks here. Yes, the formation of the compound is hydroiodic acid, and what it remains is CH3, CH, this I and COH. Name of this compound is alpha iodo, yes, 3 carbon propionic acid. Alpha iodo-propionic acid. This reaction is known as your Hell-Ballard-Jhalnowski reaction or HVZ reaction. I repeat once again, friends. HVZ reaction helps to formation of alpha halogenated carboxylic acid from corresponding your carboxylic acids. Yes, it is a very simplest reaction of our syllabus. You keep practicing. This also, this question will also asked in your annual examination and some other competitive questions. So, apart from this naming reaction, we have another extra bit of the reaction for this syllabus. We already learned that part in alcohol chapter, friends. The simplest esterification reaction. Yes, basically alcohol and carboxylic acids can used in the preparation of esters. How to formation of ester? So it is called esterification reaction. I think all of you know what is esterification reaction. Yes, in alcohol chapter we start alcohol is reacted with carboxylic acid. Now we can use when carboxylic acid reacts with an alcohol. Keep yourself just as ever recognized. I have to put it R dash. You don't mention R dash means aromatic. These are also aliphatic. Alcohols are always aliphatics. When the carboxylic acid is react with an alcohol in presence of dehydrating agent is concentrated sulfuric acid. And concentrated sulfuric acid remove the water. Remove the water, the OH and H. What it remains, this is R, this is a COOR dash. Yes, friends, this is your ester. So this process is called esterification. Name of this compound is very important. Is alkyl alkanoate. So what is this alkyl? Alkyl must be from alcohol. Already we mentioned. Alkyl must be from alcohol. Alkanoate must be from and a carboxylic acid. It's very simple. I repeat, when a carboxylic acid reacts with alcohol, in presence of dehydrating agent is a concentrated sulfuric acid to form an ester. So this process is called esterification. The common name of ester is alkyl alkanoate. Yes, friends, we have an example CH3COOH. We have acetic acid or ethanoic acid, and it reacts with methanol. This is methanol. Acetic acid is reacted with methanol. In presence of dehydrating agent is a concentrated sulfuric acid. To remove the water, now the compound is a CH3COOCH3. Already I mentioned the name must be starts from alcohol. This is your alcohol. This is a methyl group. This is a 2 carbon. 2 means eth. Yes, methyl ethanoate or methyl acetate. This is your ester. Esterification is a simple process. You keep in your mind. We already know in alcohol. Yes, just if you want to know, I have to mention that reaction also. Yes, this is your compound. Friends, salicylic acid. Salicylic acid. If you want, salicylic acid is reacted with is a methanol. Salicylic acid is reacted with methanol in presence of dehydrating agent, same sulfuric acid with a loss of water. This is a loss of water you have to mention. This is a loss of water. What it remains, sir? OH as it is, it can't react. This is COO. This is a COO and this is a CH. Yes, what is the name of this compound? Methyl salicylate. Methyl salicylate. Can you know the name of this compound? This is called winter green oil. How to form winter green oil? When the salicylic acid is reacted with methyl alcohol in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid, to form the product is methyl salicylate. That methyl salicylate is commercially we know is in a winter green oil, and this winter green oil look like your Iodex and Chandu Balm and Amrutanjan. So many winter green oils are available in market. That is a major composition is methyl salicylate, friends. This is your chemical properties. In this video, we have 2 important reactions mentioned in our syllabus. One is HVZ reaction, formation of alpha halogenated carboxylic acid by using halogenation in presence of red phosphorus. Second one is esterification. We are quite familiar with this reaction in alcohol chapter, but here also we have the same concept with the formation of ester using carboxylic acid and alcohol. Keep in your mind, friends, the naming of ester is important. The name must be starts from alcohol, end with acid. It is alkyl alkanoate. You can keep practicing with different example. As acetic acid react with methanol, methyl ethanoate. Acetic acid is react with ethanol, ethyl ethanoate. So simply the nomenclature must be depend on alcohol. Yes, this is your chemical properties as mentioned in our syllabus of carboxylic acid. We come across various type of reactions, friend. You keep practicing in all chemical properties. Yes, but the weightage in NCERT only 2 marks, but very helpful for your competitive. In the next video, the major concept of this chapter is acidic nature of carboxylic acid. Why carboxylic acids are acids? What happens when involving electron donor or electron withdrawing groups? Okay, we keep practicing. We'll move on to the next video in the next part. Thank you so much.